2026 Chevrolet Colorado. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, keyless entry. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.